what? That's a big mouth of a GT. It actually grabbed the top of the lure somehow. Boom. Oh, it's a bluefin. That was a crazy strike. I thought that was a GT. Into that hole, eh? Phew. All right, let's get the fish up for a photo. That is so cool. There's actually another bluefin in here waiting for this fish to go back. They swim in pairs, so we're gonna get him straight back in. Woo! On the KS popper. Woohoo! That's sick. Yeah, boy. Let's go, buddy. Chaos popper. Does the job. That was sick. Let's get back out there. Sunset time. Woo! Yeah. Well, the popper curse is over. Let's see if we can get another one. All right, a few more casts. Yeah, we gotta go. It's gonna get dark really soon. We'll head back to camp, eh? That sun goes down fast.